Police interactions while fishing. Part 1.
You're just fishing? Are you just fishing?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, that's fine. How long have you been here?
Hour?
An hour?
Yeah.
1029. Well, we just have a stolen vehicle. We have a stolen vehicle off the road.
Oh, really?
First name Steven, spelled with a V. Last name Edward, Mary, Boyd, Robert, Edward. Date of birth 9/11 of 99. You know that guy?
No.
Where's your bike? You have keys for that vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
You don't have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
There you go.
So we found a stolen vehicle. We think the guy bailed out from his vehicle and got into this one, and he just seemed a little suspicious is why I stopped to check on this one. I didn't see you down there one bit, so I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, you're cool.
I wanted to make sure someone wasn't here to pick that guy up from running from us.
Right, yeah.
So
I understand, man.
33-2, any district 3 units, 1043. Vehicle out of Westport.
District 3 implies they're not related or related, or can you guys?
It's a Bugatti. It's a Bugatti. I ain't never seen one of them.
Yeah. District 3, 33-2. You guys are not related.
That's affirmative. They found nothing in common over.
I'm clear. He's down here fishing. He has all the equipment, so I'm going to cut him loose. There you go.
I appreciate it, man.
Like I said, it's just out of Westport. That guy was from Westport, so
Oh,
we just
really?
wanted to make sure someone wasn't here to pick him up. So,
Right on.
All right.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate
Sorry to
it.
bother you.
No, you're cool. Have a good one.